Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're going to look at QQmusic, the #1 music streaming app here in China. Let's check it out. So QQmusic is the app that I know that all expats and locals use basically for their music streaming needs. It's available on PC, tablet, and on your mobile cell phone device. It's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, first off, you'll see that the first screen, lots of Chinese artists and Chinese characters. Don't be afraid, it is all in Chinese, but it's very easy to navigate. So if you look at the top left, right here, there's a little musical symbol, and that's like the first page. If you go across, there's 4 sets of Chinese characters. We want to click on the 3rd set, and then there's a little drop-down menu just below that. And this is basically all categories. So you can see some of it in English, like R&B, but I want you to look at the top left and the second one across that looks like a box lifting weights. That's the Chinese characters for English. So if you select this, that means that everything that's going to be appearing right now is going to be artists or albums in English or soundtracks in English. So you can peruse at your leisure. Personally though, what I like to do is go to the top right hand corner, and I like to search for artist genres or even albums. So I like Motown, so I'm going to search for that, and it brings me to my search results page. Now the search results page has 3 columns. The first is the title of the song, the second is the artist, and the third is the album or the playlist. So let's have a look. Oh, what you want to be aware of is if you select on the title of the song or the artist, it's instantly going to play that. So what I prefer to do is select an album, say this Motown Classics Gold. There we go. And if I press the play button here, it's going to start playing all of the album, and it'll load it all up for me. Next to that is a download button, so you can actually download this album and all the songs locally to your device, and you can take that about with you, even if you don't have any Wi-Fi or internet access. And what I want you to see is how it's just like any other sort of music player. You've got your pause and your play button, your back and forward tracks. One cool feature is if you click on the picture that's next to the play button, it's going to bring up more information about the track, the song and the artist, and it's actually going to bring up some lyrics for you, so you can sing along in English and in Chinese if you know the characters. So that's quite fun. And if we continue on to our right, we've got the last button, which is a playlist. We've got the volume button, and we also have the random shuffle, repeat song, or all album repeat. And there's this feature as well, which is a heart, which is your like button. You do need to have a registered account with you if you want to like and keep these songs. So what you can do is, I just use my WeChat account, scan it, and it automatically registered for me. It was pretty simple to do. Once you're registered, you can actually start building playlists by pressing on the plus buttons, or you can go to the drop-down menu and you can actually choose which playlist to use. So let's have a look at some more features. So there's the main screen. Just below that is your history. So you can sort of see the actual songs that you've been listening to previously and have them all queued up. It's great. And there's also the computer button, which will allow you to upload your own music to listen to and share. Well, that is my quick guide to QQmusic and how to use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. One quick note while I remember, What music that you get access to is going to be very dependent on what country that you are in. In QQmusic in China, I've got a much broader selection because of the different copyright laws, legalities here than I would do as opposed to opening QQmusic in America or in the UK, for example. So that's something to keep in mind when you're accessing and using this particular app. Okay. Bye bye.